Do you use Google Documents for collaboration? I mean, if you're going to have a ground document, the base of your conversation, your content creation, then using Google Documents, I've found over the years, I started this back in 2016, and it gives you three things: easy real-time editing of the Google document, comment and suggestions can be made by team members if maybe they're looking at it and they say, well, you need to say this and this and this. You can access it from anywhere. That's right. Anywhere that there's an internet connection, you can get to that Google document. So I want you to drop a comment below with your favorite feature or tip that helps your workflow, and we can learn from each other. And then, speaking of learning, the Google document for this episode, if you go to the GuyRCookReport.podbean.com, look for the episode for September the 27th. You'll get this Google document, and there's a little explanation what I've defined a Google document to be. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this video, found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on digital marketing and other things. It's a wrap.